Alright, so I just finished a night of camping with my wife and kid and wanted to do a quick video on how to get your sleeping bag back into your compression sack. It's super easy and you can kind of struggle through it, but to do it the right way and make it simple, you use your legs. So kind of sit like this with the compression sack here, and what you're going to do is while you stuff, you control the compression sack with your legs. So bottom of the bag where your feet are, do a little half fold there and just start it into the compression sack. Now it's between my legs still. What I want to do is continue to push stuff in. That, and now that it has some volume to it, now the compression sack is long ways between my legs, and I'm going to use it jiu-jitsu style, you know, holding it with my legs to just continue getting the rest of it in and not, you know, struggle with flipping it around, trying to get one side more full than the other. This way I can just stuff without the compression sack running away from me. It's like not only are my legs the guides, but they're also clamps. So now that it's in, I've already loosened these ratchets and clip there, clip here, and then cinch down. And then I do opposite side. So cinch one side, skip this side, this side. We just more even. Go back to this side. More even pressure. There it is. Stuffed. Easy enough.